morning, guys! It's another day here in Chiang Mai, and this is our last day in Chiang Mai. And today we're gonna go for a cooking class. And before that, we will have our breakfast first here in the Sunrays Cafe. Alright, so before we go to our cooking class, let's first go have our healthy breakfast here in Chiang Mai. Alright, guys, so this is our breakfast for today. So ito yung kanilang parang all-day breakfast, and then this one kay Lad. So let's see. Alright, we just had our healthy meal this morning. So, and after that, we're gonna grab some coffee here in the sidewalk. Actually, not sidewalk, side store. Side store. So, may nakita kami dito, store lang that sells coffee for 25 baht and milk tea for 25 baht. So let's just buy from that. Yeah, three. Okay, here's my Thai coffee, iced coffee for the day. Here, for 25 baht only. So let's taste. Katulad dun sa floating market. Hello guys, we're now here in the palengke. So lagay ko na lang dito yung sa baba yung pangalan ng palengke na to, this market. But we're gonna do a quick market tour before the cooking class, and then I'll join us as we tour the market here in Chiang Mai. So basically, we will just explore this market to know the different ingredients of the Thai cuisine. I'm not sure if we will buy here the ingredients that we will use for the cooking later on, but pretty sure that this is gonna be another cultural immersion, because we will see or we'll experience how the market goes here in Chiang Mai and check out the different ingredients that they use in their cooking. Although I think we're pretty similar with their ingredients, because they're also a tropical country like us in the Philippines. But it's just nice to know and to learn more about their food, their ingredients like this. They have guava. We also have guava in the Philippines. We also have mango and jackfruit or langka, dragon fruit, or this citrus fruit. And even this one, we also have this pineapple.
Yeah, my name is Am. So now we are in the Subtitles local market. We got here. I will let you walk around the market and see like the market routine. What they sell, what they buy. And then have show for some ingredients for you. Okay. For the baby size, we don't eat.
Okay.
For this size, we buy and then we let them free.
Okay.
To the river.
Okay.
But for bigger size, we eat. This one have, if you like this.
Ay, frog, yeah.
Frog.
Frog.
Thailand, we eat frog. It tastes like chicken.
Yeah.
Have you tried before?
Yes.
No?
Yes.
Okay, we are neighbors.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, okay. Then come back. If I say sugar,
Sugar cane.
palm sugar.
Palm sugar.
Palm sugar or coconut sugar. This one. Today we use this sugar for make for like a pad thai sauce.
Okay.
Pad thai sauce for palm sugar.
Pad thai
For this
sauce.
one, this is the base seasoning sauce for stir fry. This one made from fish sauce. This one made from the oyster sauce.
Fish sauce.
Today, if you are vegetarian, food allergic, gluten free, tell me again. I have more options for you.
Vegetarian.
Gluten free, yes. You know chili jam? The chili jam. Yeah, chili sauce. Spicy, but not too much. Which one? Curry paste. Curry paste. Today, I have 3 choice for you. Green curry paste, massaman curry paste, and Kao Soi, Chiang Mai curry noodle. This one, they use like a blender or machine. But for you today, Mora and pastel. Exercise first. Then you more hungry. You can see, today, we have to make it smooth like this, like an ice cream, spicy ice cream. Okay. And now, Kap, I have two kind of noodle for show you. This one, Kap, rice noodle. Make pad thai for today. This one, Kap, egg noodle. For Kao Soi, right?
Kao Soi.
Chiang Mai curry noodle. You can see, but you can change for one day for you. This is ginger family. Normal ginger. This one you know, I think? Yeah, turmeric or curcuma. I think something you got like a powder one. So this is the fresh one.
Alright guys, we're now here in the Mamanoi Cookery School. So we will now have our cooking demo here. So let's go inside. So this is Mamanoi's Cookery School. They have a very nice place. Ayan, may mga ano pa sila, lanterns here. When you enter, wow, parang ano naman, cool naman yung atmosphere kasi ano siya, malamig. Yeah, okay, cooking school talaga to. Very nice. Oh, this place is very nice. Okay, let's go inside. Oh, si Mamanoi. Here's Mamanoi. Mamanoi. Let's walk. We will have a cook-off.
Mamanoi Thai Cookery School. Then before all activity, I have an insurance for you. Is that cover all accident today? But today got no accident, I'm confirmed. Then you just say your name. Is national.
We're ready to cook, everyone! Lating ka nga dito. Harap ka, pakita mo yung ano. Diba? We have this apron.
Can we take this home?
No, I think so. I don't think so.
My pink things.
Right. You can smell everything that you want. Because we are 100% of the organic, we don't use the chemical. Now, I will show the real pan for you. We can start with this one, normal lamb. Now, Thailand, we use two kind of lamb. This is the normal lamb. This lamb, we use the chew inside for make a sour taste. But we have another one lamb we call kaffir. Kaffir lamb.
Ay, no, kalamansi.
Kaffir. Kaffir. Like this for kaffir lamb. This three of kaffir lamb. But in my list, I have two green curry. You remember again?
This is my ingredients for the Kao
I can take for you.
Soi.
It's okay.
Dry
spice,
spice,
yes.
dry spices.
Then you can smash up and down.
So we're
Smells good.
ikot mo lang, ikot. So you're just grinding the dry spices in the mortar.
Yeah?
Yes.
Ah.
Oh wow.
After that, followed by group number 2. All the chili in. Don't worry about spicy. When we cook, I will tell you how to less spicy for you.
This one.
Yes.
So we put the chili and the curry.
Kim, now when you pour chili to the mortar, don't look inside. Don't move your friends near. You use one hand, make a clover like this. One hand smack up and down.
We are done preparing our ingredients. So this is for the tom yum, this is for the Kao Soi, and this is for the stir-fry chicken with holy basil. So we have 3 menu for today, plus the mango sticky rice and the milk tea. So let's now proceed in the kitchen area.
Push and left to middle. Slowly.
Time for our second dish. which is the
This one is thick. You can put to
Ah. kayo. This time we'll cook Kao Soi.
move the cat dog.
Okay lang yun. Ano? Kao Soi. So let's move here.
Now have turn on the gas to medium. Like this, I will show you. Keep have just one drink in the middle, not too high. Like this.
The what?
Chicken. Then for you have food and chicken. My God. Okay, that's it. Because we take one. When milk. Everyone have all the food in. Yeah. One corner. Everyone have taste your curry with big spoon to go first. You go first. And side up with big spoon. If you okay, turn off the gas. Not spicy. Put on chili.
Okay, we're done with the Kao Soi. So off to our next menu, which is I think stir fry chicken. Okay. Next menu is the stir fry chicken with holy basil. So I think it's gonna be a stir fried one. So we will use oil for this.
For the fry. Kao.
Okay guys, so let's now start eating what we have cooked first. We will start with the stir fry. So mine is chicken, stir fried chicken with holy basil, and Lana is ano to na?
Stir fry.
Ano sa'yo? Stir fry chicken with cashew. Stir fry daw muna.
Ito?
Oo, stir fry. So, tapos,
You can have some stick inside here if you want. What about
tapos tom yum. Ay, kalong ka, picture.
Ha?
Okay, let's taste. First, before, without rice. We will try our Kao Soi. This is the first time that I'll be eating Kao Soi. So, let's pour on the ingredients. So, Kao Soi is one of the delicacy of northern Thailand. They specialize in this kind of dish. Let's taste it. Very nice. I like it very spicy. Dami pala, no? Parang maganda rin i-recommend na to, no? Kasi parang may lunch ka na. May experience ka pa.
Ano gusto mo?
Kao Soi. Okay, let's try now the soup or the tom yum soup. This is the very classic Thai dish. Actually, dapat ito yung inuna natin. Soup lang naman to. Sarap. Sour. Lagi yung nagpa-asim dito, no?
Okay, so nagtutunan
Alak ay asin. Ano pinakagusto mo sa niluto mo?
Ako sa ano,
Ha?
parang ginigil.
Stir fry. Ikaw? Kao Soi, Kao Soi. Ikaw, Cha, ano pinakagusto mo sa niluto mo?
Pad thai.
Pad Thai. Si Cha lang nag-pad Thai sa amin eh. Kaya na just finish yung Kao Soi. Ay, Kao Soi yung Tom Yum.
Nakakaubo yun.
Ang hang na. Kaya kanina inububo ko eh kasi okay. So later we're gonna do some agustito rice and Thai milk tea. Sobrang anghang iniiyak ako. And that's it, guys. We're back here in our hotel. So as you watched in our previous video, we just had our cooking lesson in Mamanoi here in Chiang Mai, and it's a recommended activity if you like cooking and if you like eating. So I'll put the price here and the link of the club in the description box below so that you can easily book your own cooking tour here in Chiang Mai. So this is a recommended activity. You will experience Thai cooking and you will experience the food that you cook. All right, we're now just waiting for our Grab. We're now heading to the station to go back to Bangkok. Right, so sad. We're now leaving Chiang Mai, and that tomorrow's gonna be another vlog because we'll be in Bangkok. So see you guys. Bye.